Land?
Pulo Pandan Fort.
Don't take off. Uy! Baha. Paaninin. Tama yung prediction niya na to. Ano yan?
Yeah,
Japanese
tayo pa,
na
mag-sink
manga.
na tayo sa boat ba? Hopefully hindi baha doon.
Ang port, Jordan yata. Hindi ba ito kung saan? May don't just search Jordan. Sino ba nakakonect
Pick
sa
up yung dala mo, hindi ka magtawid. Ay, sus.
Guimaras Iligan Ferry Terminal. Pupuntang kilometers kabilang side yun. Jordan, kita na yun. Iloilo Jordan Port, Iloilo.
Diyan yung take off to Guimaras?
Jordan Wharf, Roro. Yan. Kabilang side din yun. Iloilo Jordan Port.
In 150 meters, turn right onto Donato Pisson Avenue.
Check yung may Roro ha, hindi lang yung passenger.
Turn right onto Donato Pisson Avenue.
Iloilo Jordan Port. Jordan ang Iloilo na. Ito nga, Roro Jordan. Ito na. Ay, bad mood man. Na-search it. Ano yan?
Ito ba?
Yeah.
Head northeast on
Close
Donato
naman.
Pisson Avenue.
May open up.
In 600 meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit and stay on Donato Pisson Avenue.
Yep, that's... Dapat ito naka-edit lang.
So the same rota to?
I understand why I get stressed when you guys let me search everything. And I'm busy with work all the time.